on today's show.
What happened for me, which was the larger issue, was that all of this stuff became a metaphor for everything else I was doing.
Rinde Eckert, an award-winning artist who has been reconsidering the basics of performance.
Every instrument is the same way. Let the instrument tell you when it's time, but first it's establish integrity, always try and play with integrity. And what is integrity? Then you have to ask, what is integrity? Well, integrity is the wedding of intention with action.
He shares some of his strategies for engaging the humility of the beginner's mind.
We would do this thing where I would have them dance, and then I'd say, I want you to dance badly. They have to think about what is dancing badly. So already they're in their bodies in a very different way, because they're not thinking about the model of dancing. They're now thinking about how do I contort myself? What's my relationship to the rhythm?
All that and much more. So let's go.